with hope, no more faith. Village burning, woman raped, praying up, looking high. Yellow rain falling from the skies. Was this war really worth 30 years of our time? Tired of the waiting, let them feel my passion. 30 years of genocide, still no action. Left with no choice but to start resistance. Loud communists don't want more existence, and they're waking up still to survive. Watch your brother die as his legs blow from a landmine. And we still bitch about how broke, depressed that we just really ain't.
We moan living under, we moan feeling hunger, we moan getting nowhere, but see nothing but they fail. So we run for the foe, fight for doubt, maintain emotions, private when in doubt. Blind spirit in everyday drought, struggling to support, so scream and shout.
Monks to salute que va main. Jag vill lika bitch, you tomo på peng. Bängen som jag kontar det nej. Look at the homie Dylan gang. R.I.P. to the Will family in Milltown. We raise our voice, we treat us like we clowns. It's time to unite and get down.
Get it down, get it down. All we gotta do is get it now. All we gotta do is win it now. Bitch då det hack up about. Look into the future but we pray a better day. Surely not, bitch jag dör något åt dig. Gå ta ner.